Alright, hello, I am Blender Kid. You might know this channel from the channel, I'm a 12-year-old right now. Yeah, I love Blender. So, I'm not I wouldn't consider myself a big channel with my 5 subscribers. I wouldn't call myself a big channel. So there isn't a real reason to connect with my community, but I just wanna, I don't know, clear some things up. And also I haven't posted in like 4 days, so that's gonna kill my channel instantaneously. Okay, so first of all, have I won the Polyfort challenge for the Blender animation? No, I haven't. I'm just a big idiot. Just not, yeah, a big idiot, and I hadn't searched what that thing is, what the actual, thing is. So recently I've actually searched up the theme we need to do, and is the thing where everything goes satisfying and yoo-hoo, right? Yeah, that's not what I did. I thought you could do everything because I joined the server the exact day. Like, what the yeah, the day after. So yeah, I hadn't won it. People upvoted for me, only one guy, and that being the bot, so pretty much no one. But yeah, it's totally fine. Also, there's an ad on Spotify, but I just couldn't care less. I'm doing this one take because, yeah. So this guy pretty much won. I don't know if he actually won the prize, if there even is a prize, but yeah, I don't know. I messed up with this one. And the second thing I want to talk about in this video, like I haven't mentioned, there are two, but yeah, I for like this week I thought of making an animation, a little short film, something. I wanted to do something with clouds, but I thought it was too hard. So yesterday I forgot. I got a project from geography teacher, and told us to make a project about water. And I thought, let me just do an animation with water because the film was going to mess me up, my program and everything. And yeah, right now I'm trying to make a cloud. I'm trying to do a sick animation, but I don't know. It might just take a while. I might just upload BS content just to keep my channel alive, not actually content from the bottom of my heart. Just, I don't know, update videos about a project. Also, I'm perfectly 90 degrees. So, yeah. Hope this goes well. I mean, I needed some help with ChatGPT. So I can, I saw a guy like remaking a lot of thing without actually making geometry, just I don't know, copy pasting this somehow, and I wanted to ask ChatGPT something, but my whole conversation was ruined. So thank you, ChatGPT. Yeah, sick from you, guy. My guy, you got me covered. So yeah, that's not good. I'm asking you guys out if you haven't figured that out already. So yeah. Not good. Trying to make this good cloud. It kind of sucks. I don't know. So that's pretty much the things I want to make. How the competition went, and how freaking failed. I'm a blender. No, that's just no. Yeah, I'm just bad at Blender. Excuses. Yeah. So if you somehow like this video, I don't genuinely know how, because there's pretty much no community to talk with and tell them what's my plan, you know. Well, yeah, this is me. Hi, I'm Blender Kid. That's just me. I'm making a 5-minute clip explaining something I can be explained in 24 seconds in my main language. So, yeah, Blender Kid. I usually do something. Oh yeah. If you don't like and subscribe, then you'll forget what the theme is every single time you go into a competition. Bye.